Okay, today we're going to take a look at another Zippo. This is a pretty nice looking one. It arrived in the normal Zippo black box. Of course, it's made in the USA in Bradford, PA. And the label on this one says Zippo Neon Flame Bric. So there's a first look at it. A couple things I really like about this. It's got the Zippo Flame. It also has the Zippo logo. And that's just a sticker on a matte black finish. And this one was made in, looks like April of 15. It says D of 15, so this one's been around for a while. Lights up nice on a steel insert. Pretty good sound. Let's do a drop test. See if we can bounce this one from about 2 feet. So this one passes the drop test easily. That is the Zippo Neon Flame. That's a nice one. And since it is made in the USA, definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.